Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to Love Story with Technology. I am Atish. Our today's session on SD-WAN technology basics. With some of the viewer requests, we are preparing this video and we started new series on SD-WAN technology. So let's begin. So we are trying to understand how SD-WAN technology works, what are the key components and feature of SD-WAN technology, what are the use cases, what are the benefits. So SD-WAN basically software defined wide area network, innovative approach to manage and optimize wide area network using SDN, again software defined networking. Traditionally WAN which rely on delicate hardware and often complex configuration. It simplify our network management and enhance performance by leveraging software to control traffics across the multiple types of connections. You can see the multiple types of connection, including broadband, internet, lease lines, MPLS. You can see the internet, MPLS, multiple lines you can see here. When it comes to the key component and features, here we have a centralized management, dynamic path selection, application aware routing, enhanced security, cost effective scalability. It's help us to improve performance and reliability. About the benefits, it help us to simplify network management, our cost saving, increase agility, optimize cloud access. Here you can see enhance user experience. You can see use cases of SD-WAN like branch connectivity. You can see the branch connectivity mentioned in this diagram. Remote and mobile workforce. Here you can see your data center and end user also connected. Cloud and SaaS integration. Here you can see software as a service and cloud-based application integrate and connected here. Digital transformation like IoT. In summarized to SD-WAN, it represents a significant evolution in WAN technology, like addressing the needs for more flexibility, efficient, and secure network solution. In a world where digital transform and cloud adoption are rapidly advancing, it's basically abstracting a network control to software like SD-WAN provides a business with the powerful tools to enhance network performance, reduce your cost, and streamline management. So here in this first video, we are just introduce you with the SD-WAN technology. In moving forward and upcoming videos, you can see the detailed configuration, which brand we need to preferred for create a SD-WAN for your organization. Think if you are a global company and your branches seated in every state of a country, that time you have a big challenge to manage your network centrally. So by using SD-WAN technology, you can set up your central network management using this network architecture. Like here you can see here is the internet as well, MPLS also is here, your wireless WAN is here, your cloud services also connected to the infrastructure, your own server rooms or third party data center also connected here, and your branch location also connected here. This diagram provide you the central network management securely without any interruption, and it's improve your user work experience as well. So basically, you just need to understand this diagram. Here is a internet which is connected to your branch site, to your cloud services, to your enterprise data center. Second green line shows your branch site connected through internet to data center to access your data center, or some of the server required some update patches, like if you are using the Microsoft server editions, so they require the updates. So you can use the you can use the internet, and you can manage that data center from your branch site. Here is the MPLS to access your files and your confidential data securely, using the access that data from your MPLS, using your MPLS line, not on the internet, that is separated from the internet. You can see the blue line connected to your branch site, and here is to your data center. You can access your all these files folders privately at your branch site using the MPLS. You can use your Office 365, AWS, GCP platform softwares, like if you are using SharePoint, Exchange, you can access as well using within the same network. You can use the wireless WAN, which is directly connected to your enterprise data center and branch site as well. So it helps us every type of connectivity, and without any interruption you can access everything securely. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel Love Story with Technology for upcoming videos: how to configure SD-WAN, which firewall, which switches need to be used. We can show you the how to configure everything, like VPN, how to set up the VPN in your end user devices, how to create all structure in your organization, like us, without any interruption in your current network environment and downtime. So we conclude this session, and we meet to the upcoming video with the SD-WAN configuration. So thanks for watching. Again, do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel Love Story with Technology.